today. I actually wanted to wear my green dunks, but I'm afraid that we're gonna walk a lot and I don't want my feet hurting because it did hurt the second day. So that's when my dad bought these shoes for me. I mean, they're really good to walk in, but it kind of ruins the look, but it's okay. So today I think we're gonna drive around Belem, I think it's called, which is like the old city with the tourist bus again. I'm excited for that. Lisbon. It's so pretty. It's like a real life sandcastle. It's as if they wanted a sandcastle and just like, yeah, let's make my house a sandcastle. Okay, so I just had a photo shoot because it's so pretty here. Like I love it. We're going in. It's so beautiful. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is literally if you have claustrophobia, you can't walk here. If you saw that sign and you're afraid that it is very high up, it's not. You literally go up a few steps and then you're here. And then a couple more steps, you can do it. So this was the king's room and he had the big balcony that we were just on. So this room is the chapel. So I bought a little chicken nuggets. Look at the weather, it's so nice outside right now. It's snowing in Norway, so we're enjoying our last days here with sunshine. This bridge, I don't know the story of it, but it's literally the Golden Gate Bridge. San Fran! No, I'm done. So apparently you can walk up the monument as well. So it's a lot more bigger than what you think. Like, they're very nice with borrowing toilets here. So if you need to go to the toilet, just walk into a restaurant and ask. They will most likely say yes.
sobrang mausok. Ito ba yung nakikita sa Norway, sabi mo?
It's good. We woke up early today because we're gonna go and get tested, because you need to get tested on the holiday or important days. So now that it's New Year's Eve, you have to get tested to get able to get into stuff. I mean, you need to do that anyways, but it's the most important to do that today, and we're leaving tomorrow. We need a negative test at the airport as well. They open at 9 and it's still not open, and the line is just getting longer and longer and longer. So we've been waiting for about an hour now, and there's this lady that is supposed to clean the little COVID test thingy, and it's only been open for an hour. So yeah. Oh, we've been here 1.5 hours then, because we were here 30 minutes before it opened. If you come here, come to the test booth early. Yeah.
1 hour before.
Yeah, come an hour before so that you're first in line. I would really recommend that, and then you can just go back to your hotel or whatever.
I don't usually cry at all.
It hurt so bad. This time they did both. Like, she didn't do the same like last time, but this time she put it in and she spent it like 100 times. Okay, but now we're done. We stood in line for 2.5 hours, and we came half an hour before it opened. Oh, but it's free. But come earlier. Now we're gonna eat because I'm hungry and I need to use the toilet. I have to pee. I have to pee really bad.
Why is it always close, ranging from a movie scene to Maine?
That's the tower that we saw yesterday in Belem. Oh, we don't do espressos. So the hotel just knocked at our door and gave us this little chocolate. She said it was because of the New Year's and wished us a happy New Year. That's very nice. The chocolates were so good.
People in my dreams, the last time, if I recall, was a feeling of being alone. I don't know if where I'm going isn't far, but in case I go, no need to be stressed. Gotta take it home, it's there. I really miss the shade of blue. Just take it slow. I'll wait to find love. Better hear the call again. For now I will feel the ocean view, and I pray that it won't be over soon. Oh my, I miss the sun.
2022, welcome.
This is the same furniture store that the Ace family bought their little couch at. Isn't that their couch? I think so. They have a lot of cute stuff. I think that's their couch. Happy New Year!
Wait, it won't be too long till we arrive the coming day. Please ignore my restless face, 'cause it's so hard to keep it all together ever since we left. I guess it just makes sense to what the reasoning was when I said in case